Thank you, Mr. Roberts. Yeah, we've got the Grinch on today, feeling a little grinchy as we go here, but a good point and great lead in here about Ensc. I mean, look, this is my sticky note. 1, 2, 3, 4 names. That's it. And they all actually happen to be runners here today. But we'll look right now at Ensc. Multiple times yesterday, late day run, bounced off the $5. Let's look at $6.50. So it was already sort of on our watch list today on my own sticky note. I post this every single day at Trader TV Sean. Let's take it down and have a look to see what exactly we traded today. So Ensc, and again, it's a runner, opioid abuse. They're trying to figure that out with their software, their solution here. So I mean, I think it's a good name and it makes sense what we're doing here. So let's have a look at what we're talking about. So this is a 20-minute chart. You could see yesterday we had some movements. We had $5 in here talking about, I mean, this goes all the way back to the 8th. But we've already had some action here around $5. And then talking about yesterday, in and around here, we had some more love about the $5 range. So we really marked that off as something that we wanted to trade earlier on. So this is a minute chart here today. It actually dips right down, and we missed this. We absolutely missed that long. We should have been long in here. We even talked about it on that note that we showed you, $5. So it actually dips down. Unfortunately, in the morning, I'm on too many other names, but this was one that we should have looked at because, again, it was on the sticky note. So that's on me. But there's a dip down into $5. When it takes out $5.50, I'm just like, you know what? I really feel like this is probably going to run back to pre-market highs. But as you can see, it actually doesn't happen. We take the $5.50 break there, and then it just starts to come back down. We also taking that break too because it's the bottom of the pre-market. So, hey, maybe we found a bottom and we miss it, so we pay up 50 cents. Shouldn't be that much of a problem because we've already tested up here. We've marked it down, the 650 pre-market high. So, needless to say, comes back up, drops back down. We're waiting down here. We don't get filled. Would have been great to average in. This is a position that I like. Then all of a sudden it pops. So it goes down to 530, then pops up. It takes out VWAP. We take a first out there at volume weighted average price. Then it pops back up into the 80s and we take another piece out. So right here, we're in the money like 20 cents, 15 cents, something like that. And it's just kind of hovering. And then we say it right on the show. I'm not getting out of this position until it breaks back down below $5. And it actually never gives us that reload down here. We're still waiting to get it. It doesn't happen. And then all of a sudden pops back up again. And then it's like, oh hum, it's lunchtime. We'll take this out again right here at $6. So we take another piece out, another winner. Notice there's no trades down here. Then all of a sudden, we're just relaxing, no problem. Then look what happens. Just like yesterday, and it's too bad I should show you, if I could actually zoom this, yeah, you can't really see it here, but yesterday, at the end of the day, that's when the volume started getting crazy around this $5 mark. So again, we talked about it. Maybe the volume comes back in the aftermarket, right? Or sorry, in the afternoon. And that's exactly what happens. Boom, we get out again at 610. And then all of a sudden, see ya. And there's my trade that we wanted to take on that pre-market high break. So there it breaks 650. We get into that at that point. Then it rips to the upside. And we're noticing we're trying to let this settle down. We instantly get out 75. We take that 20, 25 cents. Then it bumps even higher. Take it out again right there. We're still waiting for 7 to break. That doesn't happen. We still have a small piece of this name as it comes back into this area right now. I believe this is a little bit of a reload, but just pay attention that it didn't break 7 right there. And if you look back here, it's the same story. If we go all the way back to the early of the month, it's still the same spot, 650. These lines just carrying forward. So, hey, sometimes it pays off to look back a few weeks or whenever, use higher time frames. We talk about this, 20 minutes, right? You could look at it daily. I prefer 20-minute, gives me a little bit of a better look on the actual levels, but you can see it comes into play right here again. We go long, get some at the top, and now you're seeing a move back down into this $5 area. I believe you could buy some Ensc right here, use this 5 as a bottom. If it comes back down there, let's load back up. But it's a trade of the day, and it's a good one, and we had to be patient, and I think that that's exactly what we're trying to say.